Kementeri Sorkar ke Jela ke kong amprin lingdo ke leithu ke Jingkynduh jongkai ke nongelam ke VPP ha ke sngin kong kalong ban Sngap ye ke ba kidan ban ong bat ban Pynsngew pat ya ke tei show menteri rangpa ke Jela. Habagren bikla pathai Khubor ke menteri ke ong ru bah ke Jingkynduh kamshim ladon setia ke nuka rai begishim.
My stand here is very clear. We had a fruitful discussion. Details of that discussion are yet to be taken a decision. And when those decisions are taken, accordingly, they will be communicated to you. Do not imagine, do not presume that we have taken any decisions which go out of the stand of the government. And like I said, my role was to listen and then present our discussions to the highest authority of the state, which is the honorable Chief Minister. And please wait for that communication to come from his end. My role here as Law Minister, we had a discussion. We indicated certain reasons and certain decisions that were taken. There is dissatisfaction, and likely this is what has caused this friction. Honorable Chief Minister will do the needful, and I can only assure you and through you the people of the state that matters are going to be discussed, and whatever needs to be discussed will be highlighted by the Honorable Chief Minister, who will definitely meet you to give you an update on this matter. I want to discuss these matters because, like I said, discussions have taken place. Let these be communicated to the head of the state, who's the Honorable Chief Minister, and accordingly he will make the necessary briefings as and when the need arises.